Hi everyone, checking in again. So it's been a week since I posted an update on my doctoral journey. So it's been a very different type of week for me. So I am in pretty deep in the literature that I've been looking up concerning my topic, and oh my goodness, it's so much work. I was actually thinking the other day, like, what am I thinking by doing all of this? So I already have my topic selected and all of that, and now I'm looking for literature regarding that. And my gosh, I am usually really good at hitting all of my goals, and my goal was to read 10 articles a day and to input those articles into my topic matrix to prepare for my literature review. And I've only done, maybe within the past 3 days, I think I've only done 7 articles. But I was telling my husband that it's probably because of the learning curve. So once I get used to doing these types of tasks, I think I'll be better at it. I'll do this pretty quickly. So my goal for today is to add in 5 more. So I fully expect to reach my goal, and I have learned my lesson. I am not going to read the entire article before I decide that I want to use it as part of my literature review. I am going to read what I'm supposed to read, which is the introduction, the results, the conclusion, and also recommendations for future study. So my workday begins in about 5 minutes. So once this workday is done, then I get to focus on my task for today. So hopefully I meet my goal, because I always meet my goals, and I will meet my goal today. 5 articles, and I will start to also look into the different theories for my research. So I have a couple that I want to look into. Some of the researchers that I've read so far have used this specific theory. So yeah, excited, but kind of at the same time a little overwhelmed. And so just believing and praying and asking God to help me to be effective with my research and also efficient with my time. I don't like to waste my time. So yes, I'm looking forward to a very good day, and my work day starts in about 4 minutes, so I need to go ahead and get prepared for that. All right, I'll check in with everyone later. Bye-bye.